Hi viewers, today we're looking at the MySQL month name temporal or date function within MySQL workbench. So we're going to find the month name for the current date and time. So first of all, we're going to type in select and then space and then control space to get the functions up, and then page down to month name. Then we're going to tab on that, and within month name we're going to type sysdate open bracket close bracket for the current date, and at the end we're going to enter a semicolon as a batch terminator, and then we're going to run that. And as you can see, the current month name for the current date is February, and that's the month name function within MySQL Workbench.